Okay, it's the best moment now. We are going to change the settings for final rendering. So do not make any changes in global switches, but on system, let's change the dynamic memory limit. I am using 6000 because I have a 8 gigabytes of installed memory RAM. So leave some RAMs for Windows and add more. In which way you won't receive any errors while trying to start a rendering. Also, change nothing in the camera. Camera is only for illumination, not for settings and quality. And environment, so go there, go on BG color mapping and type in, I am using 36 subdivs of shadows in text, sky and sunlight. Click OK, go to image sample, and well, my render will have reflections, some refractions, so I'm using adaptive DMC, and I'm going to change a color threshold, so 0.001, leave it, everything is okay. Well, maybe let's add 12, but this doesn't make any big sense. So go to DMC sampler, and there we will remove the noise from our renders. So type in 0.1. This causes longer renderings. Also decrease this value and leave 12 for minimum samples. Nothing to change in color sampling. Go to output next, and well, I recommend using one of the measurements of width or height, something more or exact 2500, and in this way you will get a good quality. Also change subdivs of ambient occlusion. Type in 22, and also change samples to 30 and lift up and make this value bigger, maximum rate. Also type in for light catch 1800 and it will be okay. Well, we should add some more quality for the textures. So for example, the textures which has a reflection, I recommend using more subdivs. So let's type in, for example, 22. The bottle doesn't have any subdivs because it's totally reflective. Highlight and reflection glossiness are 1 and 1, so you can't change the subdivs. We should add some subdivs for the wood material. I will use 36 for book with reflection 22. Brushed steel, let's type in 60. We have done it, it's okay. Okay, cooker top color, so type in 36. Metal iron, also 36. Kitchen white color, 36 also. Accent color, again 36. Wall color, of course we have a much wall color in the render, so let's type in 26 to decrease the rendering times. Brown hole copy, 26. Metal chrome doesn't have any subdivs. Gypsum, let's type in 36 because it's causes many noise. Tile pattern, well, 22 will be okay. Bed material, 36. Of course you can make the different values, but I am making these. Okay, rubber, nothing. For books, as I said, it's 22. Also, you will need to continue. I hadn't made any reflections, so for the books use 22 subdivs. Also, floral ID, well, for the floral, I'm recommending you using a, let's say, 36 subdivs. I don't know why, but I missed a material of the floral. I showed you how to create it, and I will create it again for final rendering. So I will add a glassness 0.65, 0.8. I will add some reflection maps. I will add a shader. Don't forget it if you had the same problem. And this is it. It's some bugs. Also add some reflection and type in subdivs 22. Okay, so you only need now to click render and see what we have. And well, when you get a result, you need to save it in your frame buffer. The result now, this is not the final rendering parameters, but when you got the final render, you need to save it in any directory you want. In portable network graphics format, PNG, and we will make some changes in Photoshop.